items.
All right, Kayla, thank you. Kayla Tausche in Washington. So, given these developments, simple question tonight. Is Trump winning the trade war? Guy?
Is Trump winning the trade war? Well, the market seems to indicate that the President Trump in the United States is winning the trade war right now, right? Our market's effectively unchanged. Chinese markets, despite the rally, is still down probably 15 to 16%. So if you look through that lens, yeah, I guess we are winning the trade war. I'm not certain there are winners at the end of the day, but given the context of your question, our market seems like it wants to take out the highs we made in January. So the things we talk about in the market, and given that spectrum, we are winning, yes.
Well, and if you think about what's accompanied this, we've had comments about the Fed, we've had comments about the dollar, we've had comments about some of the places where the economy actually was most concerned. So in other words, we put back on the Fed. Right now, it looks like we're getting 3 hikes, not 4 in 2018. You've got a dollar that was a runaway train, but now is absolutely failed at 95. So at a time when we're getting largely fantastic earnings, we're looking like we want to chase or trace or retrace, whatever you want to say. 2876 on the S&P is right around the corner.
You know, we're winning. I would say we are winning. Have we won? No, because I think this is the very earliest stages, so that would be way too premature to say something like that. But the markets itself, I think, speak for themselves. I mean, the reactions that we've seen, and we're starting to see the reactions in terms of the earnings themselves. I love the fact that we have focused. The financials came out. Look at who outperformed last week. It was the financials. And then you look through, and now we're getting more and more towards not just the industrials.
That was because of the steepening yield curve, though.
Well, I think that there's no doubt about that. I mean, that helped, but they also produced numbers that I think everybody looked at and said, you know what, these are pretty daggone good numbers. And the industrials have looked a little bit better. And take a look not just at FANG, because that's what we always focus on, but how about the fact that today we see Microsoft leading the Dow? How about if we see Cisco? Some of the other names, old names, including Intel, throw in a Micron, there are names that outside of FANG are working right now.
I mean, for there to